miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Finally, the forecast for the northern foothills of Western Allegheny County in northwestern North Carolina, northwestern West County in northwestern North Carolina, Ashe County in northwestern North Carolina, Smith County in southwestern Virginia, southwestern Wood County in southwestern Virginia, central Grayson County in southwestern Virginia, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Abingdon to Mountain City to near Peoria, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Chilhowie, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Lansing, Mouth of Wilson, and Mount Rogers National Recreation Area.